interview. You are going to pick one number from this box here, and that number corresponds to one of the judges, and he or she will be asking you a question. And shall we start?
Okay. We start with candidate number 12.
You're the first one to pick.
You pick the number.
So pick well.
That's definitely the judge that will be questioning you.
Okay. Your judge is?
Number 2.
Judge number 2.
My question for you is, if you win this pageant, what can you contribute in this barangay?
As a young woman and a resident of Barangay Suarez, the best contribution that I can give is show the values that I learned from school by helping my co-constituents in whatever simple thing I can do for their own good. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 12. And may we have candidate number 11? Hello. Pick your number. Your number is?
Number 4.
Judge number 4. Main objective. Kasi mahirap po marinig dito. Okay.
What is your main objective in joining this competition?
Thank you for the very beautiful question, Mom. My main objective is to represent our zone and to be exposed in this pageant and to contribute in this barangay in the future. That's all. Thank you.
Alright, candidate number 11. Make your final look.
Next will be candidate number 10. Candidate number 10. Hello? Alright. So, judge number 3. Judge number 3.
Now, here is the question. If given the chance to become a professional, what profession do you want to be? 1, a lawyer. 2nd, a doctor. And 3rd, a beautician.
I want to be a professional lawyer someday. To defend and fight for justice. Defend and fight for justice for the people who needs my help. That's all. Thank you. Thank you so much, candidate number 10.
Judge number 5.
If you pay that number with $1 million, what will you do with your money?
If my fairy godmother will give me 1 million, I will give it to the street children and their families in order for them to have their own money to support their
question, but just try to answer it as much as you can. Okay, let's see. Let's fast forward to 25 years from now, and let's say you run as city mayor of Iligan City, and let's say you won as the first lady mayor of Iligan City. Now, for the past, I think, 6 years, our city mayor has had a flagship project, and this is a water project, which is well underway, and it's under construction now, Kapit na Mahuman. I will ask you this: if you were given the chance to be elected as city mayor of Iligan City 25 years from now, what would be your flagship project, or what would be your advocacy for all the people of Iligan City?
It would be about the education system and political system. We all know that education is very important, and through education, our city will really progress because education is the antidote for poverty. Second, for healthcare system, just like in Cuba, which is one of the third world countries, they have this great healthcare system that they provide to their people. And I wish, if I will run as a mayor 25 years from now, I will provide free healthcare system to my people. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 4. So we have now the top 5. Nakita na natin yung ganda nila, narinig na natin kung anong mga nasa isip nila and what they will advocate in the future. So now we will be...
Okay, before we give you the winners for our Miss Suarez 2010, we would like to give due acknowledgement to the original Suarez Movers. Alright, the original Suarez Movers are behind this beautiful pageant tonight. So I'd like to call in spearheader Miss Joy Tao. And then
We also have Miss Vivian
come up on stage, please.
Bertudazo Ragma,
Vivian Radman, Mayan Alag, Lulu Tormocha,
Miss Marietta Avila Alag, Miss Marita Saicon de la Cruz, Miss Elenita Octana Sabarillo, Miss Tina Avila Cabanday, Miss Jocelyn Teodosio Gonzalez, Miss Lourdes Tago Torremocha, Miss Diane Michelle Avila Alag, Mr. Ruel A. Parangan, we have Mr. Epipras J. Badilla, we have Mr. Salome D. Timaho, and the working hands, Apple T. Torremocha, Dennis Michael A. Alag, Dan Lawrence Miguel A. Alag, and EJ Boy Torremocha. So ito po ang original, the very original Suarez Movers.
Okay, we'd like to request that dudes Ayangin and Honorable Anhay to give us a certificate of recognition as the organizer.